Hello and welcome, I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. Now I've just had an adventure in this Weinsberg Superlight where I got stuck inside, so I'm really being brave by going into this one here. And so I'll say it up front, if I don't come out, it's been a great pleasure being able to do these videos. And thanks for watching over the years. 88,000 it costs. CaraHome MEG 650 MEG. Can you see that? Probably not. There you go. I sign in front of this. CaraHome 650 MEG. Let's get the technical details up. As this, oh no, I thought this was going to be an indication where this video is going. 7 meters, 230 width, inner width 216. Right, the weight it claims ready to go 3,042 kilos. Right, that leaves 468 kilos of payload. We'll just mention, in all fairness, that Klaus Tabbert who owns the company which owns Weinsberg, is under investigation for declaring false weights on vehicles. Now, if you put 4 people in here, 468 is not a huge amount, I suppose, of payload. Having said that, it does include the driver. Sorry, so that's 4 plus 3 plus 1. It might work out if it is correct. Coming to the back here, right, so nice indirect lighting. You can sit up in bed by putting pillows under the next to the headboard there. Very good lights that is there. There's a window on either side. This is completely daft because anything you put in there is just going to fall out. And a ledge over there, that is absurd for something that's going to move. This is a German layout, so it means to say that everything here is supposed to become a bigger bed. So you can make a bigger bed. There'll be something here which pulls out. That's the ladder, and a plate that comes in here to make an enormous bed. I'm not going to do it because I can't be bothered to look for the plate to put in there. We'll put all this stuff over there, put this up like that if it works, and you can see there you've got a wardrobe. And let's have a look, got a wardrobe on the other side as well. Put this up here. Note, there's the plate I was referring to earlier. Note the 2 mattresses here. So that comes up easily. I would suggest, and I'm sure they've only just done this for the trade fair, they've just put these things over to protect them, but I would suggest keeping each mattress individually, sheet on each one individually. This will come up like that. There is your storage under here, and I'll open this up here, and guess what? The light doesn't work. That comes as no surprise whatsoever. Let's see if the light on the other side doesn't work as well. Does it? Can you see a light in there? I can't either. And right, so there's that. Come to the fridge, which is here, and there's the fridge. Close the door, lock the door. In here we've got the washroom. This is where I had my adventure just before. I got locked in here. You've got here 2 under the sink tray. It's got a non-slip surface, and you've got 2 drainage points. Unfortunately, the small size, but the better than having just one small size. Toilet there, fixed sink in here. Completely pointless unit up here. Look at that. Idiotic. I mean, that's the best I can say for it. Things move, and it doesn't take anything to put a ledge in there to stop things falling out. Well, it does take a little bit. It takes putting in a ledge. Right, let's have a look what else we've got. Sink there, 3 burners there. We've got a drawer here. We've got storage under the drawer. We've got a forward-facing bench here, semi-dinette. I've got a bed up there. This will lift up and down should it be necessary. Ladder up to the bed up there. Storage under it. Up there you've got a space in where the cab over comes down, so it keep your stuff at night. So you can get quite a few cans of beer up there. Hearing aid. What else you might take to bed with you? Glasses, books, and so you've got quite a lot of storage up there. And here they've chose just to waste this space, not to bother putting anything there. Right, well, I'm not well disposed towards Knaus Tabbert at the best of times, and this doesn't help, but it's not as bad as the other one was. I didn't get, at least I haven't got stuck in it yet. There is the what do you call it, aircon unit. Did I give you the price? I think I did. Yeah, it was about 88, wasn't it, something like that? And 88, I was right. And here we've got the gas cupboard. You can get 2 gas cylinders in there, easy access for the gas cylinders. That's not too bad. Could be better, but I mean, this price for a level, you can't expect more. And in here we've got this lovely big garage. Got a door same size at the other end, storage inside the garage as well. Close the door, have a walk around. Actually, quite honest, I was a bit surprised even to see Knaus Tabbert here this year. They take this whole hall for themselves, but because the company is on the verge of, I don't think it's going to go bankrupt. I doubt that will happen, but it does have major financial problems, which I've been warning about since 2020, wasn't it? I mean, it's just, and I've been warning people not to buy the vehicles for 5 odd years, but I did think that it mightn't be here. Of course, if it doesn't come here, it's not going to sell a huge amount of stock that it's got, so didn't really have much of a say in the matter. Anyway, good. So there's this Weinsberg sleeps 4. Do you want to have a quick look at the one I got stuck in earlier? And this one here, sleeps 6 CaraHome 650 DG. Nice big garage. And coming up, nice big step up. Going to suggest that it might have some insulated floor, though I bet it doesn't. You've got, sorry, make a bed. You can make a bed here. That's where there's a rear facing bench. Bed up goes up there. I'll just show you because I didn't do it in the other one. I'll show you how easy it goes up. I'll show you how easily it goes up, I say. Ooh. Well, I've got it up. But bed at the back. This is a widthwise bed. I think it's meant to be a double. I'm not going to go on this thing again. There's the access to the, there's the toilet, me being very careful. I've got a big wardrobe here as well. Could also benefit from a light. There's your fridge. So this is the other one. Sleep 6. If you've got some you don't like, you can always buy them one. Right, so there you go. Thanks very much for watching. As always, I stress very strongly not to buy Knaus Tabbert vehicles until the problems are resolved that the company has. Now, Knaus Tabbert itself claims it was a victim of its employees, given the fact that I have been putting up videos since 2020 and possibly I might even start in the late part of 2019, telling people, warning people on this subject. I fail to see how Knaus Tabbert, 5 years later, suddenly says, oh, well, we were the victim of our employees. Well, all you have to do is watch my videos, which have been online for all this time. But anyway, the videos are still available, so anybody can see them. But anyway, certainly do not recommend buying them until the problems are clearly resolved. The people responsible for creating the problems, however, are no longer in employment. Whether or not their corporate policy, the corporate ethics have changed, that I don't know. Thanks for watching.